Russell.
Russell, yes.
How are you, big man?
Good, good, thank you.
Mark.
Russell, mate.
Mark 1, good to see you.
Gordon.
Mark 3.
Gordon,
Mark
pleased
2.
to meet you. How are you?
Likewise, good to see you. You arrived as fireman. Now you're my brigade. Mark 1, what do you cook? What are you famous for?
Bit of steak, fillet steak. I love fillet steak.
Yes.
And I'll put together like a roasted pepper, red pepper.
Sounds fucking disgusting. What was the last time you cooked?
I'm a pasta man.
Pasta man.
But the thing is, it's very quick and at work.
Very camp. Like Dale Winton. But you're a bit of a domestic housewife because you make your own jam as well, is that right?
He is a little bit. Yes, well done. I'm trying to blame it on his daughter who cooks it.
Keep that one to yourself, okay? Let's go. Right, gentlemen, we're ready, yes? 6 covers, table 12, yes? 6 foie gras, 6 beef, 6 berry soup.
6 right, 3 each, Mark.
Stop. So I call out an order nicely at the end of it to say, yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
So let's start again because that was bollocks. I'll order 6 covers, table 12, 6 foie gras, 6 beef, 6 berry soup.
Yes,
chef.
Let's do one together first, shall we? Yeah? So foie gras is 90% fat, yeah?
Right.
So don't leave it in the pan too long because the whole fucking thing will disintegrate, yes?
Yeah.
Nice hot knife. And we use a hot knife to slice through there very quickly so as not to break foie gras. Salt, pepper. 90% of the seasoning we lose as it roasts, so we're going to season it twice. We're going to season it now, and then once it's cooked, yes, we're going to season it again.
Before it goes on the plate.
Before it goes on the plate. Roll it around the seasoning, flat side down first, yeah? Get the colour in the foie gras, yes? Colour is absolutely critical. This nice crispy edge on the outside, this nice pink, sort of succulent, sort of almost like a warm butter inside.
Yeah.
Now, we're serving rhubarb, yes, with this foie gras, because rhubarb is very sharp, tart, and so it sort of helps to cut through the richness of the foie gras. Now, that's just right. It just needs 1 minute on the side there. Rhubarb, this time of year, is absolutely delicious. Just nice. Zigzag. Rocket salad there. Yeah. Now, the foie gras is now rested. And look, 50 like that, and every customer will be paying.
Good to
OK, let's go. Can we put the foie gras in the pan together, please,
Right,
yes?
DB, these are ready to go.
Let's go.
Oil in it?
Yeah, okay. It's not, it don't sound hot enough, does it?
Yeah, we're all
Well,
right.
for smoking, it's fucking hot enough, isn't it? Why am I telling a fireman that? Come on. Let's get it right. 3 in.
3.
Right, Mark, they're not
Okay,
even
3.
seasoned, Mark. Fucking hell. Come on, big boy. Wake up, please, yes? Now, don't burn the foie gras, because if we burn the foie gras, yeah, it's going to be bitter. Let's go, guys,
Right,
yes?
hold on, because this is...
Let's go. Right, Mark.
slow this down,
Too
mate.
fucking coloured. Come on, big boy. It's burnt, my man. No, stop. Put it down. Put it down. Hey, guys. Hello. Mark, it's not funny now, because I'm not fucking laughing. Get it in the bin.
Yes, chef.
Fucking bullshit.
Come on, baby.
Guys, don't forget, yes, the best performer brigade, yeah, come back, yeah, and not cook here, but they cook at Claridge's. Right. And so far, you're fucking useless. This is a simple dish. Foie gras, rhubarb, and salad. You know, you can make this at home tomorrow night. Even fucking Ainsley Harriott couldn't fuck this one up, yes? Good boy, let's go. 4 away now, Mark, please, yes? Rhubarb on.
Yes, chef.
Salad dress.
Salad's coming.
Good. Now you take your tray with you. Up, let's go. Table 5, JB. Right, we're ready for the first 3. Come on, let's go. Go.
You eating it, Amy?
Oh my God, there's no way I could eat that, not in a million years.
Right.
It looks really wrong. It looks like someone's brain.
What is
Oh my
it?
God, I can't.
Ladies.
Hello.
Right. Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you both. Hey. Girls allowed on the F word.
I know, it's good, isn't it?
You're aware this is a food show, right?
Yeah.
We are.
And
We like food.
by looking how skinny you are, you don't eat food. Did you like the foie gras? Did you like it?
I'm a vegetarian.
You're vegetarian. Did you not get the message? Vegetarians aren't welcome. But you didn't
Okay,
tell
if
me
it's
you're
like
vegetarian.
that. If it's like that, if it's
no,
like that,
seriously.
Gordon.
No, hold
I
on.
shall see you
If I'd known
later.
you were vegetarian, we've got the fucking All Saints on. Enjoy the potatoes. I'll come and see you later, yes?
Okay, thank
Vegetarian.
you.
Bloody hell.
The rhubarb and the foie gras together, they complemented each other, and they were great. They're absolutely fabulous.
Saying this substantial bit of foie that makes it, you know, really delicious. There's so much softness inside, the crispy outside.
OK, results in?
Yes.
50 diners. Out of the 50 diners, how many are going to pay for the foie gras?
31 people paying for the starter.
31?
Yeah.
Is that
Well done.
You haven't got much to clap about there.
They just don't like it, do they?
19 refused to pay for it.
Yeah, that's correct.
Why?
Too long, too fatty.
Too fatty? Too fatty, my art. It's a liver, which is full of what? What? Huh?
Yeah, but too fatty.
It's a delicious delicacy that in small quantities, yeah?
Yeah.
Christ almighty. The main courses, I want 50, all paying for the ribeye, yeah? Let's go, yeah?
Yes, chef.
Unbelievable.